Today's online teaching is done on 22nd 4/20 by LLK Joseph for the students of class 3rd A, B, C and D. Today we will again begin the lesson number 1, vowels and consonants. Open your English grammar book and hold your pencil in your hand and note it or mark it in the book, and later on you do it in your notebooks. Lesson number 1, vowels and consonants. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This order of letters is called the alphabetical order. What is this called? Alphabetical order. Or we call it the dictionary order also. Dictionary order also. The following letters of the alphabet are called vowels: A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. The sounds these letters produce are called vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U. The following letters of the alphabet are called consonants: B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. The sounds these letters produce are called consonant sounds. Now we do some exercises along with this. Put each group of words in the dictionary order. The words are given: play, eat, sing, run. Now we write from the dictionary order. Like first is eat. Then you write eat. Plays, sing, run. Happy, sad, good, bad. Now we start from the alphabet: bad, good, happy and sad. Now in this also, pen, bat, work, church, bat. We write first bat here, then church, then pen, then work. Father, clinic, house, story. Now we'll start from here. Clinic, house, no sorry. Clinic, father, house, story. Now you count the vowels and consonants in each word. Now the first word is given vowels and consonants. Now you count the vowels: A, I, A. There are how many? 1, 2, 3. Write 3. You can write what are vowels: A, I, A. Then consonants are N, M, L. N, M, L, so on. This is theatre: E, A, E. Consonants are T, H, T, R. Now woman: O and A are vowels. W, M, N are consonant. Now there are 3. Student: U and E. U and E. There are how many? 2. Then S, T D N T. There are 5. Umbrella, U E A. The other words are M B R L L. Now give words beginning with these words. You can write in your own words also. Like first one in apple, aeroplane, ant, angry, egg, elephant, early, so on. Ink, igloo, ice, ink. Then with O, orange, owl, ugly, uncle. You can write your own words also in this. Now use of a and an. We use a before a word beginning with a consonant sound as book, a book, table, a table, chair, a chair, player, a player, river, a river. We use and before a word beginning with a vowel sound such as apple, an apple, egg, an egg, iron, an iron, owl, an owl, umbrella, an umbrella. If you look at the following uses of a and an, apple, an apple, a red apple, a bird, an early bird, good worker, a good worker, an honest worker, a short story, an interesting story. Now you have to put a or an for each blank. An airport, an airport, window, a window, old man, an old man, old book, an old book, red ribbon, a red ribbon, ice cream, an ice cream, easy chair, an easy chair, angry lion, an angry lion, lovely doll, a lovely doll, hungry dog, a hungry dog, wise woman, a wise woman. Now complete the sentences using words from the box. The words are given in the box like man, bird, fruit, game, flower, animal, woman, vegetable. Now from these words you have to fill in. Like tennis is a game. Now you choose the word game here to put it. An owl is a bird. A wife is a woman. A rose is a flower. A pear is a fruit. A horse is an animal. A carrot is a vegetable. A husband is a man. Now here you see some pictures given from 1 to 8. Words are given: nurse, farmer, dentist, teacher, milkman, policeman, electrician, hairdresser. Now you see this lady. What do you feel like? What she is? So you write, she is a teacher. He is a farmer. He is a policeman. and so on. You write with he, she, so on. You fill the word from there. He is a policeman. She is a nurse. He is a milkman. And so on, you fill the word. Now, whatever exercises we have done today, from page number 4, 5, and 6, you will have to do this in your notebook. One thing more you have to underline, like I'm taking, write this, and this. The tick one. Now this, whatever I'm doing the tick one, you have to do in your notebook. Okay? You do this in your notebook, and please make a fair copy, because whenever the school reopens, the notebooks will be checked.